day guys. Okay, another day, another day. Busy tayo ngayon guys. Nagre-refuse tayo ng front head. Assembly. Isang printer. Ayan. Ang stroke na yan. Tapos lagay yung light. Tapos install natin yung intang. Ganda ng motor. Baka madami mo. At ingat lang tayo guys. Medyo slowly but surely. Tango na, extend ko na kung nagtatrabaho na ba yung bagong printer head. Galing lang yan ng China. Yan, test natin guys kung okay ba yung printer head.
Kaya scan.
Yan,
Scan tayo. Okay na. Yan na.
Yan. Test tayo na mag-scan. Yan. Ayan, lumabas na. Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you for watching guys.